Many times in my videos, I lock the cells using F4, and I would like to elaborate more on it in this video. So in this example, I have the sales of these products in dollars, and I would like to convert it to dirhams. So the formula is quite simple: equal the sales multiplied by the exchange rate. So far so good, but when I drag it to the rest of the cells, it would give me an error, or it would give me weird numbers. The reason is that whenever I drag it down, the cells would move with it, but I want it to be locked at the rate, and it doesn't make sense that I would be fixing it one at a time manually. Instead, the formula would be equal sales multiplied by the exchange rate, but I would click F4 to lock the cell. So you can see both dollar signs on the letter F and the number 2, meaning that the column F is fixated and the second cell. So when I would apply it to the rest, you would notice that we would have no errors, and if I would check on any of the cells, I would notice that the sales have been selected and the same exchange rate have been fixated at the cell that we have locked it in. This would come in handy and ensure that you would have no mistakes in the future.